Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy night. Hey guys, you recognize that quote? I know some of you would. If you know it, comment. Tell me what you think it is. You won't win a prize or anything, but hey, you'll know a really awesome quote. Anyway, I decided to do a look based upon the late great actress Bette Davis. She is probably my all-time favorite actress altogether. Yeah, absolutely love her movies. Loved her since high school. If you don't know who she is, which some of you may not, just Google her and maybe rent a movie, and I think you guys will love her. Really strong lady, and she was quite a spitfire, even in real life. So yeah, this is based upon one of her early movies, which is called Of Human Bondage, in which she plays a waitress turning into a prostitute, down on her luck, turns into a prostitute, takes advantage and is super cruel to a crippled man, which is probably not cool, but anyway, it's an amazing movie, and yeah, this look was based upon her character. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. It was a challenge, definitely. I had to block my brows, obviously, and I realized I have a two-head instead of a forehead, so yeah, y'all can make fun of that. Anyway, yeah, this is Bette Davis, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, as you can see, I've already blocked my brows, applied foundation. A great tutorial for blocking your brows is Blanche Babcock, and I will put the link to that video in the sidebar. I'm going to take a 217. I'm going to be using the 88 matte palette, this color right here, just kind of a mid-brown. And I'm going to start by kind of defining the inner corner. And start off gradually, and then you can build your color up into what you want it to be. Now obviously I went a bit dramatic with this makeup. The part in the movie that I drew most of the inspiration from was the part where she was a prostitute. Now I'm going to define my outer lid. I'm going to bring that up with that same color. Just sort of blend it over to that corner. Slightly put that over the glue from the brow. Okay, now I'm going to take the black color and dip my 217, just the tip of it, into there. And I'm going to get really dark on that inner corner. And go up onto where your brow would be. And blend that out. And over. Also going to take a little bit of that black and define this outer corner again. And start to blend that up. Okay, now I'm going to take this top matte white one, matte white eyeshadow. I'm going to place that onto my lid in my inner corner. Again. And that'll help blend out that line. Also going to take a little bit more of that and just pat it over top of my brow. So that'll be the brow highlight for the eye. Now for a little bit more highlight, I'm going to go into the e.l.f. quad, into this white color here. Just get a lot on your brush because you're going to pack it right over top of where your eyebrow was. That'll help the blend. Okay, now for under the eye, I'm just going to take the black onto an SS219 from Sigma. And it's kind of a rounded shape. It kind of goes thin and then gets round out here. It made her look really, really sad in the movie. Which, if I was to be a prostitute, I would be sad too. And you just kind of bring that out like that. Short strokes. Bette Davis just had the best eyes. So expressive. Now I'm just going to do a faint line of black liner, just so I have a base for my false lashes. Bette Davis rocked false lashes up into her 80s. Okay, now I'm going to go into my waterline with a white pencil, just to open my eyes up a bit. Now I'm going to apply mascara, so curl my lashes. And I'm using Voluminous from L'Oreal. Generous coats. You'll also be coating your false lashes with them, with this mascara. So, and definitely on the bottom as well. Now I'm going to put on my false lashes and come back and show you how to draw the eyebrow. Okay, now for the Bette Davis brows. These are a little bit more, I don't know, not exactly like hers, but a lot of times in Hollywood they made their starlets shave their brows off, so this is just going to be a nice 20s rounded brow. I'm using a 266 SS266 with gel black liner, just because I like drama. You're basically going to try to follow and match up to your other brow over here. And their brows were really rounded and very, very long. So I'm just going to follow along where my eyebrow was. I'm going to make this part, the inner part of the brow, a little bit thicker. Now for the lips, I don't have a shade comparable to probably what she was wearing in the movie. Their lips were really defined, and they kind of had to be because the cameras were so not good. So I'm just going to take a black liner and lightly fill in my lips. And they did have the bow, like the Clara bow lip. Okay, now I'm going to take a lip brush and Diva from MAC, which is pretty dark red. And I'm just going to apply that on top of the black liner. Now on top of that, I'm going to put a gloss from Revlon in Rock Royalty. Should make it a little shiny. Okay, there you have your Bette Davis inspired look. Hope you guys enjoy.